Welcome to sessions 13 through 15 of our class. We are coming into the home stretch for this course, but your work over the next 3 weeks will be very important in synthesizing much of what you've learned over the semester. You will be balancing 2 assignments over the next 3 weeks. The first project will span the next 2 weeks. In session 13, you will be posting your book project team's final presentation by midnight on Sunday. Next, for session 14, you will be opening and reading through each of the other 4 teams' book team project presentations. You will be responding to each one in the discussion posts with the key ideas that you found interesting and useful about each of the book team authors that's being presented as his or her work relates to your classroom or your coaching situation. And for session 15, you will be submitting your final project due to post your individual culminating project. For this project, you will be posting your submission for a small group of your classmates, your culminating project group. You look at that in the people section, you can find the people in your group. And you will see what you think about the main purposes in education should be as we design ideal classrooms or coaching situations. For this project, you will be designing a 10-minute screencast-o-matic PowerPoint and video of yourself talking through what you found to be the most impactful quotes or references to concepts of the educational thinkers and the movements that we've been reading about and talking about throughout the course. These will provide evidence for your 3 major components that you're designing into your ideal classroom or coaching situation, which are so critical to accomplish what you think are the main purposes that you choose for education in America. The final part of this presentation focuses on practical examples of what you think should be doing to apply these ideas in your classroom or on the coaching field, so you can accomplish your 3 main objectives and purposes for what you think is quality education. If you can take actual pictures from your school or your team, you can post some real examples on your PowerPoint, or you can just search the internet for some pictures for good examples if you don't have the real pictures to support your points of these practical applications. There are some examples of a few culminating projects posted in the session 15 box on Canvas site to give you an idea of how students have designed their presentations in the past classes. But remember, these were examples that were presented live in the past during a hybrid version of this class, so they do not include the narrated screencast-o-matic component that's required for this totally online version to submit for the course this semester. Most importantly, note that this assignment is completed in 2 phases. The first part, where you will be posting your 10-minute screencast-o-matic project for your group to see, needs to be turned in by Wednesday at midnight this week. That is May 8th, during our 15th session of the class, so that the other team members in your culminating project team will have a chance to view it and write some appreciative feedback about what they found meaningful about your ideas that you presented by the end of this session, which is Sunday night, midnight on May 12th. So between Thursday and Sunday, you will be looking at your other teammates' projects and putting up your appreciative feedback about what you found the most interesting and applicable for you. Enjoy finishing your final projects over the next 3 weeks from sessions 13 to 15. It's really been a pleasure to interact with you throughout this semester, and I really look forward to seeing your ideas in your culminating projects. Enjoy the next few weeks.